That's it. Okay. Oh shoot, I'm clear. Okay. Hey y'all, what's up? It is your girl, Haley Elise, your favorite, child, you used to be favorite natural hair YouTuber. It has been so long. And before y'all come for my neck, can we just bask at the full width video? Because those of y'all who been rocking with me, y'all remember when my videos didn't even fit the full screen because I was recording on my iPad. Look at me now, okay? That was a part of that year-long hiatus. It is so good to be back. I've already talked to some of y'all on Instagram. Y'all was like, girl, where you been? We thought you was gone, something happened. Y'all, I have some really good excuses as to where I've been, okay? So we're gonna get into all of that. But do know that I have missed y'all, really. I'm super elated to know that y'all are still here because let me tell y'all about the people on Instagram. Okay, they've been leaving me high and dry, but y'all are the real MVPs because y'all have held it down for the past year and some change. There's so much to cover. So in this video, it's just a quick snippet, reintroducing myself and letting y'all know what to expect. So now that I'm back on YouTube, Instagram, all of that, I just feel like it makes more sense to do like a series or a sequence of videos about my return, where I've been, what's up. And what I don't want to do, or who I don't want to be, is that friend where you text them and they don't say nothing for days, but then when they're ready, they come back and they pick up the conversation like it never dropped. I'm not gonna do y'all like that. I'm gonna tell you what I've been doing, okay? And I'm gonna be really real about it. So there's been a lot of good, there's been some ugly, some bad, a lot of transitions, and just a lot of newness. It's just so much. So basically, we're just gonna hop into it real quick, okay? Number one being, there's been a whole name change to my channel, to my Instagram. I used to be As Told by Her. That's the name that I had from inception of this channel. So I recently changed it to Naturally Her. I'm always gonna have her in everything that I do because her is me. That is my initials, that's my name, going with me wherever I go. The naturally part I just felt like was way more fitting for my videos and what I do on YouTube and Instagram. Y'all know I'm all about natural hair care, showing up in your natural essence and really highlighting that and being proud of it. That is the new name here across all platforms, and this is also my new Instagram name. So make sure that y'all are following me on there. Naturally Her, wherever you see that, that is me, y'all. What else is going on with me? Y'all, I've moved. Okay, I'm not even in the same state that y'all used to see me in. That I got new jobs. Y'all, I done got tattoos and stuff. I got two. All my color is out of my hair. I think the last time y'all saw me, I still had my brown blonde tips. That's gone. Y'all, this was really crazy. Okay, I'm a whole licensed cosmetologist now. I know. Thank you for all of the applause. Last time we talked, I think I was still in school. And we gonna talk about that too, cause y'all been going through it. Thank God I don't look like what I've been through. I just had to come on here and let y'all know I'm back. We got a lot to catch up on. I have a lot of new things coming, and I want y'all to stay with me along the journey, and I want to bring y'all along. Make sure, like I said, that y'all are subscribed. Turn your notifications back on. If y'all turned them off, turn them back on, okay? Follow me on Instagram. And I know y'all not, because I have double the subscribers on YouTube than I do on LinkedIn. Or not LinkedIn. Ooh, y'all can follow me on LinkedIn too, I guess, if you'd like. But again, it's so great to be back and to talk to y'all. But before we hop off of here, I need y'all to do 3 things for me. And I know y'all probably like, since you've been gone for over a year, don't ask us to do nothing. I hear you. I need y'all to drop below what y'all want to see now that I'm back. Okay, whatever it is, product reviews, hair tutorials, just let me know what's up with that. And then I want y'all to tell me one thing that has changed in your life from the last time that we spoke, because I really want to know what's up with y'all. I really do. I miss y'all so much. If you haven't already, make sure that you got your notifications on for this channel. It's up from here. All right, so signing off to all my naturalistas. This is your girl, Naturally Her, or Haley Elise, and I'm gonna talk to y'all really soon. Bye.